Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Are your contacts showing only numbers instead of names? This usually happens when Google Contact Sync is turned off or SIM contacts are not synced properly. It can be confusing when you need to call someone quickly or send an important message. Sometimes, after a phone update or switching SIMs, contacts may disappear or only show numbers. Open your phone settings and tap on Google. Then tap on All Services and scroll down to Contact Sync. Make sure it is toggled on. Next, go back and tap on Sync Device and SIM Contacts to back up any contacts saved on your SIM. Once synced, your contact names will appear correctly instead of numbers. This also prevents duplicates or missing contacts in the future. Always keep Google Contact Sync enabled to avoid this problem later. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android tips and fixes.